Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. So today it is pouring down rain. Sometimes it's a good thing, sometimes it isn't. Catch me after this. So I'm gonna go show a house today and it is raining. Now sometimes it's actually a good thing and sometimes it isn't, because you have to think of it this way. If you walk into a house and you see a leak, you at least know you probably don't want to have that house. If you don't see a leak, then at least you're okay with the house and you can move on. I know, everybody's going to say a home inspector will come in and do all that stuff. That's great. That's exactly what you want. But if you could end up going to the house and seeing the house before the home inspector gets there, and actually seeing that you don't want to get the house, so therefore you're not spending the binder check and spending the money on the home inspector, it's better off. So that's what I want to say. Sometimes it's actually better to have you go out there and show a house in the rain. Nobody likes getting wet. I understand. Use an umbrella. Get a raincoat. Be careful. Go inside, see the house, see if there's any issues or problems. You never know. There might be some flooding. You can even see in the backyard. Maybe it has too much water that goes in the backyard, or maybe it has too much water in the front yard. Especially here in Florida, we have water everywhere. People don't realize it sometimes, but we have water everywhere. And with that, you need to know what's going to happen, especially during the rainy season, as to what will be your yard in the future. If you have dogs, if you have cats, if you have children that need to get out into the outside, you need to understand what you're getting yourself into. So sometimes rain, go away, I want to show this house today, is actually sometimes a good thing. Hopefully you got some use out of this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe so you can end up seeing the next videos we have. And also hit that little bell notification to be notified when we end up doing our videos. I post videos at least once a week right now, sometimes twice, sometimes even more. Depends on what time I have. So if you have any questions or comments, make sure you end up commenting down below. I like hearing all the comments that are coming in right now. Thank you very much for doing that. But this has been Tim Holm with Watsonrealtycorp, your home team. This is buying and selling a home is easy, right? Not necessarily, especially when it rains.